5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So that was what we're going to do at 152 beats per minute. This particular scale run is all triplets, triplet, 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 okay? So this is the ending of a falseta that I wrote for my album Flamenco that I released in 2005, and many moons have passed. So this is the end of a falseta, but I thought it would be a great way to get our picado going today. So what we're going to do is I just really want you to focus on constant alternation, whichever fingers you use for your picado, that you're using constant alternation. So most people use index middle, some people use index ring. I'm sure there's some people out there that use middle ring, and then there's some people that use all three in some form or fashion. So just make sure you're using constant alternation. I have some string changes in here that are tricky. So let's get to it. Like I said, this is all triplets. We start on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and we're just going to go 2, 3, 5. We're going to go up to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then we're going to return. So this is a device that I learned from, not flamenco, from a guy named Paul Gilbert, who's an electric guitarist, phenomenal, and he was a big favorite of mine when I was a kid playing electric guitar. Anyway, so this is a really big challenge for just picking on electric guitar to work your constant alternation, and it works great for, go figure, your picado too. So what we're doing is going, if we start with our index, that means this 3rd string, when we hit that note, it's going to be your middle finger hitting that. And what we're going to want to do is we just drag that and hit that next note to go back. We can't do that. We want to do constant alternation. Okay? So this just really gives you that focus on that alternation when you change strings. Okay? We're going to do that twice. Now we're going to start ascending 2, 3, 5. We go 3, 5, 6 on the 2nd. 3, 5, 6 on the 1st. We descend. We go back up to that B flat, that 6. We're going to go to the 2nd string, play the F, the 6, 5, 3, and then we're only going to go up to the E here, the 5, 3. Then we're going to go down here and play the C, B flat A, the 5, 3, 5. We're going to go back up, and now we're going to do something that's not common at all in flamenco. We're going to string skip in our picado. So we're going to jump up to the 1st string, 3rd fret, then play those notes 3, 5, 6, and end on that 5, that high A. So that's not a common thing that's done in flamenco, to do that string skipping. Again, another little shout out of mine to a childhood hero of mine, Paul Gilbert. He does all that kind of crazy stuff on electric guitar. So I added that in. All right. So here we go. Let's just play this slow. Hopefully you have the music in front of you. It's going to make all this stuff so much easier. I try to explain it slow, but it's still pretty quick. 80 beats per minute, 80. And we'll play it super slow. 7, 8. Again, 7, 8. All right, so at the end, what I just did right here is that this allows, it's not just kind of some kind of spaz out with my fret hand. I'm actually muting the other strings so I don't get any sympathetic ringing, so that I can just focus on that high A, because we get a quarter note out of that 8, and then usually you can hear the 1, 2, and then start on the and after 1 or the 2. Okay, so all right, let's go up to 112 beats per minute. Okay, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Pay attention now. I would really pay attention and maybe mark it in your music where I'm accenting because that makes a difference. Okay, I'm getting those kind of upbeats. And now we'll go at 144. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So hopefully that'll get you working on your picado, really thinking about that constant alternation when you're changing strings. Then we got that string skip. We jump over strings. Lots of fun stuff. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the work, okay?